Hi guys! Welcome back again. Dito na naman ako guys. At ito, maglalakbay na naman kasama ko ang aking pinakamamahal na prinsesa dahil siya ang mag-tour sa akin ngayon guys. Ipapasyal daw ako pero tignan nyo yan madaanan namin itong spaceship dito sa Singapore guys. Charot, hindi. Biro lang yan guys. Sabi kasi yung driver, taxi driver, si uncle na, did you see that spaceship? So, oo nga pala, mukhang spaceship na. Tapos madadaanan natin yung barko din mamaya, 'di ba? Yung barko na sa taas ng building. Charot. Hindi 'yon, Marina Bay Sands 'yon. Kaya talaga, biro lang 'yun ha. Kaya talaga, seryoso na naman tayo ngayon diyan. Ayan. At syempre, madadaanan natin yung bahay-bahay na nakabilog ngayon tapos umiikot. Ayun yun. At yun yung barko. O, di ba? At yun naman yung durian. Kaya pag sa barko ka, baba ka, kakain ka na ng durian. Charot. Biro lang yan, guys. Okay. Let's go. At dito na nga kami sa Clarke Central. Ayan, bumaba kami tapos nagbayad lang kami ng $14 from Frankel Avenue to Clarke. Ayan, kasi hindi peak hour guys. At eto, lumakad kami paikot. Hindi man lang diniretso kasi sinundan namin yung Google Map. Dahil pupunta daw kami sa home Sweet Dream. Sweet Dream Home. Bahala na yan. Basta mabalik ka slatan Kasi nga itong kasama ko, this month daw, month of June, letter M yung libre doon sa kainan. Kaya sabi niya, dalhin mo ng passport at saka work permit mo. At pupunta tayo doon para libre ang kainin mo. So, pumunta nga kami at malapit na kami. Ayan, lakad-lakad ng napakainit. At syempre, ayan yung kasama ko, selfie, ganon. Ayan, construction dito. Ayan, at dito na nga kami guys. O ayan na, papasok na kami. Finally, we are here at Home Sweet Dreams Restaurant, guys. So, ayan, dito sa baba, you can see very rundown, right? But when you go and you use the staircase, and you will see, you will be amazed on top. Ayan. Let's go. And then, we are here. Pumasok na ngayong dalawa. May music dito, kaya ayan. Dito nga kami umupo para madaling makita yung letra. O, may banda pa sila guys. Ang ganda, napaka-cozy. ako tataba. Ito. Nice. Ito. Tapos isang french fries. Tapos naghati-hati kami ng pagkain. And ito, mayroon ng taya. Natapos na nga kami guys kumain dito sa napakagandang restaurant. See? Pauwi na nga kami guys. Ang ganda dito. Clark Kigayam. Mabuti na lang to guys kasi ay! Just now.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the
Fort Canin Swimming Club, okay? Andito nga kami, guys. Tignan namin para sa may idea kami para sa minipot. I see. Wow. So much food. Well, I see. Tignan nyo guys, lumabas din kami pa. Yung isip naman namin ay bit psycho. I can bring Minnie inside to swim. Mag-ready muna tayo. Dito mag-swimming si Minnie guys.
but if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Napasok na naman kami dito sa Fairprice guys. Diyos ko, batang ko. Kung saan-saan kami nagpupunta. So guys, Fairprice of Singapore. Malamig pala. Yeah. Bacon.
Mari photoan.
Yeah.
Where?
Your iPad lah.
No, my iPad spoiled. Very old.
Ha?
Maybe the good ones will work.
Yeah. Of course lah, got music. How to? Central. Really put. Just now we hear again. Now we hear again. How to walk? Wow, cotton candy.
Straight there. I want to get like tea ice cream.
No, cannot. I'm so full. You push me your Milo enak.
Yeah. I want Milo lah.
What is that?
Chocolate lah.
Ah, chocolate lah. No wonder lah. Like guys. Got music.
Cotton candy there.
The one ah. I used to like to eat last time. I like to eat last time. Expensive you ride boat.
So hot.
Morning ah. Actually I want to ride but I remember I am Minnie with us so how to ride boat. And then no so long. 20 minutes we take photo and then raining ready. Marit I take photo you later there. Clarky. kas ano kanga
If I see
ngay.
photo, it's not my face. I see Tiffany.
Okay lah.
I see
If, even we cannot post, at least we got souvenir in our phone, right?
I sent to my child, and then they're jealous. Wow, Mama can go out that.
Hindi pa natapos-tapos kaya, hindi pa kaya sobra yung pinagkainan namin.